Sir, welcome, welcome, everyone to my YouTube channel. Let's start today's session. We have CL, let it go. Let's look at NQ and volume. NQ indices basically. It's daily looking, daily. Okay, looks cool though. We have such a liquidity. I've got this one stage. Oh, SP. This C2 closure, C3 and C4. We are still left with a draw here. We'll start let some more people join, then we'll start analyzing. Gonna go hmm, three watching already. Nice. Hit that like button, please. Hit that like. Be watching already. Let me just yeah, can you guys hear me? Please, someone comment it and tell me. Six already. Nice. Can you guys hear? Can you guys hear? Mic check. Mic check. We'll start it soon. In another 5 minutes because I want some more people to join. Happens like starting like when we are newly started streaming. So we need to wait for some more people to join and then start increasing the chart because we already got very less audience out here. Make sure to like, guys. That's so bit important for me to push my video in YouTube. How is Discord doing? Uh, as expected. Yeah, so in daily, in indices, we had this PSP here. If you guys can see, we had this PSP and we were bouncing off of this order block. Like if you consider this entire order block, because we have this fair value gap coinciding that block. So yeah, key level is one stage. And then we are going to drop down to the lower diagram and then see what we got, whether the high of the day is set or not. That's very important for us to, trade away from the high of the day so that we can capture the body. Obviously, we are not going to capture entire body, but some part of it. You can say 16. Yeah, maybe 6 p.m. Six. Voice is not clear now. Hello, can you hear me now? I think now it should be clear. Yeah, yeah. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Maybe now it's clear. So yeah, this is our day open. So do we have any Kraken correlation to confirm that we is at the high of the day already? We have this one stage. We have this one stage. Is PSP here. You see with the ES, but we still have IM to look at. So yeah, that might be the I have the date set already there. Let me see why. Yes, sir. I am. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Abhinav Patil. Yeah, I'm having something, so I'm doing it slow. We still have a lot of time. Like we are going to trade 10 a.m. So no need to rush things here. So if you guys are watching me daily, you guys know the grind. Like we are gonna catch only 10 a.m. candle. So yeah, took this high here in YM, and what about this? I think we took here too. Yeah, we took here too, but we have this PSP forming here. So that makes me yeah, that makes me think that yeah, the half the day said if we get closer below this low, that will be a change in state of delivery in 4 hour to be okay. This will be, and once we can go a more lower time frame and analyze chart. But for now, I'm going to just stick to the 4 hour because 4 hour is not yet closed. We still have 18 minutes to close. Yesterday I was looking for shorts in gold, guys. If you guys saw my live stream, I was all set for shorts, but I got it very late, to be honest. Like if you see that is, I was looking for this one stage PSP. I was about to trade this candle, this 10 a.m. candle, this 10 a.m. candle, yeah, this 10 a.m. candle, but this end up going this deep inside of this candle. So I already took one trade in CL. So yeah, I was looking for shorts here till this gap. It worked like perfectly, but the time it took a lot of time to give that big reversal confirmation and then drop here. So yeah, we were on we were on point when it comes to analysis because look at this. The same case is happening to today in indices. Like this is 6 p.m. open. This is one stage PSP cleared the high. Okay, so if you see 6 p.m. open, one stage PSP, and this also cleared the high. So yeah, the same case is happening here. The same thing, guys. You are going to analyze the same thing daily in all of the charts, like any chart in the market. So So just yes, sir. Today's bias in gold is short too. Yeah, I haven't yet started investing gold, but shorts look good in gold. Here when it comes to 1 hour, let's complete with the indices first. Okay, we had this one stage, and we'll be getting this change in state of delivery in 1 hour as well. If we close strong bearish in another 15 minutes, 15 or 16 minutes maybe, and we are going to get this EST here in Royal as well. So if we get this, we can consider that high of the day is set already with this one stage PSP, and we can look for more shots in indices. So let's go deep into this area in ES, whether we see some kind of lack and correlation here. That is important as well. So do we have anything? No, nothing much there. Nothing much in 1 hour. I was looking for this, but we don't have that. But yeah, it's fine. It's totally fine. We have this cap holding here in ES, but we need this closure below here, below this body of the candle, so that we can anticipate next 10 a.m. more bearish. What do we have here? Till these close maybe? Till these low. This is all daily draw here. But yeah, looking to another 15 minutes. We are anticipating this closure below this supply in 1 hour. So what we have in gold 4 hour. No, we have one PSP. Let's go through the daily. We already filled this gap. Totally disrespected. Looking for shots, more shots here. Fill these lows. And what we have? Nothing much special here actually. No stage one, stage two, anything here. We do have this SMT inside of that key level. We have this SMT and this changes state of delivery. Guys might be getting some, outside sound here. It's playing out. So I'm sorry for that, but let's go through the yeah, which was the already. And this is I was expecting this 1 hour very close, but it's flipping. Let's see what we can get some, two stage up here and then a reversal from there. So no need to worry. But the problem here is if you look at this, we are bouncing off of this gap, and we also have this one stage down below here. But yeah, I'm saying that we are not staying more bearish here. But we actually do have this buy side. If you look at the 1 hour, we do have this new resistance liquidity run to that buy side. 4 hour gap, unfilled gap here. Yeah, even that looks good though. Let's see, but we are not going to touch anything till 10 a.m. open. So if we did catch up these highs before 10 a.m. open, Then we are going to look for bearish with confirmation. No, maybe we are going to trade a 1 hour 5 minute, 1 hour 5 minute order TTFM, but you need to wait till 10 a.m. open. That's the thing. Look at this. These guys, the highs are very near, but we'll definitely take it. We need to wait till 10 a.m. What are we doing here in oil? We had a beautiful shot yesterday, guys. In oil. 30Y, beautiful, shot in 30Y as well. You guys might have missed it yesterday. Crazy, crazy shot. I think we had this empty with HO. Steady. Yeah. Previous set over considered here. I think this will be this low. We fail to manipulate and then we push lower to these lows. This is our draw. When it comes to 4 hour, beautiful, totally decoupled. And we might get this, yeah, we have this one stage, two stage actually, not just one stage. We took this high and we are closing this bullish and we took this, we haven't taken this high and we're closing this bearish. This is some kind of strength switch happening in here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Autumn is here. Hi, bro. Hi. So we are looking for this change in state of delivery to set ourselves with a bias for today. Yeah. Let's look for this closure down here. And once we get that closure, we are already delivering from this key level. You can look for more shorts. That's what I'm looking with these two stage with RTY. What's HO doing? RTY, HO, HO. Hmm. We already have this one stage here. So do have this one stage here and we are delivering from this sea level. So the only thing I'll be looking for is CSD. Let's CSD so that I can, trade more bearish. Looks good. Let's see if we need this closer before any so that we can look for more shots. Oh, silver, silver, silver. Getting this S&P and push higher there. But I want it not to close for this candle here. So that I can anticipate, little bit more very surprise here. I want this because below this, not to give any change in state of delivery there. Let's see.
ಅದೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಸರ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದು ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್
We also have this
ಮೀ
70 and PSP stage happening in here with silver. So we can anticipate more bearish price
ಅದೇ ಒಂದು
in gold.
7 ಗಂಟೆ 7:10 ಹೌದಾ ಸರ್
No distance. Gold is clean today. But we need the next 4 hours should not close above this line. That's a problem here. If we do close, then nothing much here to look for.
well yeah.
So unless it go over actually guys, so if you guys have any doubt, if you guys need any these analysis and any of the assets, you guys can just ask it in a comment, comment, words. Let me move myself, guys.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಐತೆ ಅದ ತೆಗಿ 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 ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ
Sir,
ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Hello.
Isa kuntuhan.
Oh.
Kuntuhan. Sir, we are back. I was just shifting my laptop from hall to bedroom, so look at this, guys. Just tap the opening price of daily. Here what things become more curious. Like this 6 a.m. openings and any of the like higher time frame candle openings will hold the price and push it sometimes. For example, what's happening in here. So that's the reason I was just stay with my bias. That is another 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes. 6 a.m. opening price of daily. Mhm. Yeah. Now we have this stage here. You see with yes. That is so. Yeah, that looks beautiful. It's okay. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು flipping here, getting closer, getting closer. That's important. That closer will be there. What's happening here? Another 3 minutes. You have to wait. I hope this will flip and not do that. This 4 hour changes rate of delivery in gold, oil, looking beautiful as expected. It's expected. Let's wait, guys. Let's see. I hope you guys can hear me now clearly. Yes, sir. 8 Rates is here in Discord today. What's up? Nice. At least we need the C2 closure. We don't want to see. We don't want to see closure of all this candle. 5 seconds. This is looking great today, and oil as well. Let's see. We have concurrent 8 viewers today, guys. With that like, with that we are right. How can I see my likes? How much I got? Let me see. Am I able to see my likes? 4 viewers. Yeah, yeah, I think here. I think. Let's concentrate on our charts again. 6 viewers, 6 viewers, 6 concurrent viewers. What do we have? Seven. Define today is not streaming today. Or what? Like one of his moderator, Autumn is here, so is he streaming today? He's streaming today, guys.
Hello.
Yes. He what happened with 15 minutes? We didn't even get this 1 hour closure model close below. We got this in ES but not in NQ. So I need more confirmation. Closure very slow. Now gonna touch him there. What is happening here? We got this C2. As this C2 we need this split. Maybe flip and change the state of leverage so that we can catch up with the values. So 15, 15. I think we are going to get this one step. Can I open? Set the high with this one stage. Yeah. Silver and gold. Yeah. Small stage here. Let's look for this changes set of delivery. If this breaks is 70 here, then we are not going to touch it until we get another one. So let's put color maybe here. Yeah. Let's stick to this plan for now. Mhm. 4 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah. That's right. Just this flip and closure this kind of impact and so that we can move over and look for entries in 3 minutes. It's oil crazy. Oil is looking so beautiful, guys. The problem here is we need some kind of uh, crack incorporation to for. We do have 5 minutes, but I don't know like the first 5 minutes. 15 minutes, yeah. You can trust 15 minutes. This PSP. But to confirm this PSP, I need this closure down here. Need this closure down here to confirm that PSP what are we just forming. So yeah, let's see. Do we have to do it's looking good though, but it should not take much time to just flip and give this good displacement CIST here. I think much great. Mhm. Indices are looking good, but we need to wait for line ourselves with the bias. That's tricky thing here. It will take a bit time to get that to form the setup in indices. Like yesterday we had in gold, like yeah, we have this S&P break, so not good. I think it might go to this high maybe. That's not a high, so it's a line. Just clear it up. What is this line? Just a horizontal line, bro. Sorry. We clear this. So I think there you can get this though. You can get this high simply with this high instead of that high time frame order block like fair value gap here. So you can just look for shorts in any of these assets, gold or silver. Just wait guys. Who is here? What is happening? The 1 hour is straight is empty. But here I have this empty here if you guys can see. That's this what I was talking two stages. What I was talking about earlier. That is this is that's a distinction. Okay, so we even got a good closure there. So yeah, oil is looking good. You have to just wait to get that confirmation and change the state of delivery if we want to. Let's go to 15 minute. We have this 15-minute gap here. This can hold the price and push lower. If this if this 15-minute gap holds and we form the C2 and we form the C2, then we can just trade these lows, C3 and then C4, C3 and then C4. That's what we can see. And like when it comes to Kraken correlation, we already are forming this one stage at least for now with this SMT up here. But yeah, one stage with that PSP. But like if we don't close above this high here in HO, that becomes a two stage and we can look for lows in silver. Eight viewers. Nice. We had a like very good trade yesterday though. We already do have this It's empty here. See the closure. That. Hmm. Take this high, bro. Come on. Oh, oh, oh. Mhm. Thank you, and yes, is it a name open? Here we go. This is a name open, not yet proper. Not proper. Not a proper big formation below there. Look at this 10 AM. Look at that. Look at this 10 AM. So need to wait more to get a more complex. Then follow that structure what we are looking for. Then trade. Truck and CST. We do have this another. Have this another SMT here on the top. Let's drop in 5 minutes. See this. Make this closer, guys. Once we get this closer, we can refine down to the 3 minute and then we can create. The pyramid with input close. That's a good thing there. The problem here is we haven't got any bearish confirmation yet. Gold, 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 come on, gold. Closure. No, right. Let's wait. Let's show clean. Clean, not gonna lie. See the closure. C3. Yeah, which one looks clean though. We get this closure here. And if we form some kind of gap, we can go and see it. Let's see. For this year. We need that tap as that's important. Not yet placed it. Or just be ready with your guns loaded. Let's see if we can hit that TP today. We have 20 seconds. I'm gonna keep it there. If it triggers, it triggers. If we miss, we miss. We can't go and market execute here and ruin our RR. So yeah, we are keeping our limit there. Just expect it to come here and then we can be in. So there I have my alert right there. Yeah, including cool coming back. Yes, sir. We need that 5 minutes CST. One to even 5 minute and even 3 minute looks the same, like very near. So yeah, I think we are in CL. Yeah, we tapped here in CL guys. We are in. So let's see how it goes. Risk GXT here. This. Mm, man- Yeah, yeah. Let us play out. Let's look at the indices myself. This 5 minute closer. Just put alert near myself. If it looks, we can come back and see that. It's chopping around. Yankee is chopping today. Problem here is we don't have gap. Let's try another thing. Is it confirming that maybe? Let's try another thing. I can we have this code 0 through my CSD to look for let B, let it run. Let it, whatever happens here should not affect us on our other setup, another setup. I'm looking for. So guys, this is not much clear for me to read. I don't know. Yeah, we do. It is clear, like when it comes to catching up these highs before 10 a.m. As I said, this is our 10 a.m. But I'm not sure that this small wick is going to, hold it and push it higher. So I need something to form here, or else I need a good body close to look for shorts. Because this 10 a.m. wick, a very small wick, it's not looking much promising to me. So I'm going to wait. See her, see her, see her. Come on, push it down. Come on, baby. No, come on, come on. First thing. We need closure, guys. Like, we need a good 10 a.m. lower wick to push it higher. I'm not convinced with this very small wick here. But even like I might be wrong, it can push higher. Can absolutely push higher. I'm not saying it will not, but definitely. But see the closure. Oh, we don't have any uh SMT good SMT here. Check. Let me check. Let me check. Nothing much. Oh, nothing much here, guys. Haven't given yet. Oh, I think we can work this one. Hmm. Looks like it's a recently, but I don't know. Like, not gonna trust that until and unless it's happening with this silver. But is silver. What's happening in all you? All is struggling with to flush lower. I mean, you just chopping around. Look at this big guys. Those are not healthy trade at all. Look at that. Deep retracements and stuff. Stay away from indices for now, please. No, with silver, like everything is looking positive. And even oil is like faking and turning up kind of thing. But yeah, we'll hold it. Not gonna chase. Not kind of fumble here. We entered. Whatever comes in the end comes so that we stop our TP. So I might stop out. Might get stuck out. But these guys have this SMT gold. But I'm not sure like, whether I'm going for dogs in gold or not. I don't know. Just chopping around. What the hell? Kill gold. The same thing. We need to wait more. How do we go? Always. One. This 15-minute tracking correlation to these bit high prices here. Thing. Nothing. Again, look at this guys. We took this high now. Okay. Now it will come back and live a big week, and then next candle might push higher, like the previous candle what it did. They're going to stay safe. They're not gonna do anything with indices until we are forming our setup. I'm going to attend some meeting in 2 minutes, but I'm just saying what we want here. And then if I do punch any trades on screen, you guys can see and definitely whatever you can copy, or you can, use it as a reference or anything. I don't prefer you guys to copy. Just, whatever I'm showing you on the live stream is to be my analysis, my point of view. So you guys need to definitely, do your own analysis and risk your money. Be sure I can say.
So, ಅವ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ ಅವನು. ಈಗ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ದೇನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನೀನು ಬಾವ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ 16 ಸಿಗ್ತೈತೆ 12 ಸಿಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಹೋಗೋ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ 15 ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 14 ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಬೇಡಣ
Let's give it a round
ಆಫೀಸ ಆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್
as we
ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಿಂದ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಯಾರು ಈ ಬಂದು
the more because we had the tap in key level, like 13 tap in the key level, so we can press down. Whatever, like we can also stop out here. So just hope for the best. I'll be attending some meeting, guys. I'll be back. Break time. Keep your eyes on trade.
ಹಂಗೂ ಕೇಳಿದ
Ah, yes, sir. We are back. We are back in stream. I, I think someone is hearing. Someone was hearing me going long single. Not sure. Not sure. CL, yeah, CL is turning. We're having this ESP. Gold dropping, guys. Crazy shit. Gold dropping. Yeah. Let's see if we get a gap or something here and then push lower. Get this EST. This index is looking good, but we don't have any reversal sign there. If you see 2 minute or 30 minutes, mm, or at least trend switch. Yeah, we need a closure with this current candle closure to confirm this PSP and then we can go for shorts. And we also do have this 5 minute up there, but I'm not sure we are going to consider this 5 minute. Not sure. Or else we are going to wait till you know clearing out these highs. We do have a good. We have this 10 a.m. We didn't get change the state of delivery here in 15 minutes. Sorry, 5 minutes, and we got this good displacement. But we need a gap. Maybe we can try this out. Through the tab. We didn't get the tab there. So we are just hold this and let it be the another book. We will tap it there and average it. Right now we got nothing here. We are into this. What's GC? What is GC? Yes, sir. We are back. My meeting is over, guys. We are back. So let me see. Six watching still. Crazy, guys. You guys are OG. Even though I was not on chart, we have still six watching. What do you mean by that? Let me see. Oh, group chat? What is GC, bro? Oh, gold shot. Yeah, gold shot, GC. I thought I thought it's something like group chat or group chat or something. I was not aware of, gold you're talking. I used to call it just gold, so just I used to call it just gold. So I was not aware of that. Where did the Paris gear almost break even? Almost break even. Love this. cap down here, just to be safe. But I was looking for shorts in GC from starting of my stream, so that's even here. We might get again like might get another setup down here like on this in oil, but at this change instead of delivery itself. But I'm not preferring you to go with oil right now because I already took one setup in oil, which I end up taking loss. So I'm not much confident on this again. So we are holding good gold trade here, so let's stick to it. A 15-minute open. Yes, keep on dumping. Paid watching, crazy. Yeah, yeah, it's trading your premium. So right now, like as we are affiliated with Blue Guardian Futures, I would prefer you to go with Blue Guardian because we are affiliated with them. But to be honest, if you ask me the best firm, I would prefer going with Lucid or Top Step, maybe. If they don't have that trailing drawdown, there are some news going around like Top Step will bring trailing drawdown. So I'm not trading with Top Step, so I don't know what's going on with them. So if they bring that trailing drawdown, it will be difficult for traders to trade with Top Step. So it's almost break even, guys. At just a $50, so gonna give much stress on that. Oil 15 minute upper wick not yet found. Oh, not for 15 minute, 30 minute upper wick not yet found. But this is like looking good. Not gonna lie, in oil. I don't know, bro. I think Lucid will accept the crypto maybe. I think they will. Not sure. Lucid. But Topstep will not. You need a credit card, I think. Yeah, they're breaking course. You can still try if we get reaction from this fair value gap because that's a 3 minute gap there and 15 minute CST. So yeah, see, CL, come on, CL. What's going on with CL? I was looking for shots there. No wake, no 30-minute wake up there. Only funded next will accept the crypto. Yeah, I think funded next is good for, to be honest. Even they were good with CFDs when I used to trade CFD, or even futures. They are so good with futures as well. So worth giving it a try, I would say. Thank you. Just chopping around. Let's see. Let's see. Make sure to like the stream, guys, and follow me on Instagram as well. So I want to just, no, you guys don't have my Instagram ID here. That's a problem. Let me put it. Yeah, just join my Discord, guys. You'll get it there. Let's go to my Twitter. I think you'll get it there as well.
Monday the actor of meeting later. ನಮ್ಮ ದಿನಸಿಗೆ ಇದು ರಂಜಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಾವು ನಮಾಜ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ
Sound like crazy, guys. Crazy, crazy. Just need to wait. We don't have anything right now. But CL is looking good though. But the problem here is like we haven't yet formed the upper week of 30-minute candle. That's the thing sucks. And we are just bleeding like hell, like pushing down without that upper week. The reason here to take is this USD. Push. Oh shit. Otherwise, pumping head, bro. Hmm. Yesterday we had this trade in RTY. We had this huge dump here. Crazy, bro. It's happening in now. Thank you. Gold. It's gold. Must be 5 minutes. We need this C2 closure in 5 minutes in silver. Silver anchor is what I'm talking about. So, but, okay. And this unfilled cap, bro. This is a real problem now. But if we get closure here, then you might have some good confidence. Can you just chopping around guys? No, 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 press down. Okay, so we have this in oil. We get this stuff. It's just trying with one contract. Let's see. We can get this stuff. In gold. Probably. Silver already pushed much lower than gold, but we can come back and get up on this kind of here. But we need a good closure in 2 minutes because this candle is no, that's not a place. It's not a place. This how we got that. We don't know why. This is my whole draw, but this will be my 2 hour here. So stop up. Here. That's right. Ideal just think before goal for at all. See guys, like we are forming this upper week right now. So like we can come back and do that. We can come back and do that. That's the thing. We too can. So if we are hitting that, then okay, they can move. They C to C3. C3 is here, even this thing is not like clear this flow, so That would be just a retracement. The problem here is we don't have much room here to breathe for this trade. I think we should give it much. Let it be, whatever. If it takes out. Gold. Yeah, we clear these. Equalize what I was looking for. Because yeah, we got shot out as oil. The best day for me, to be honest. I have this unfilled here. So I think we might be going to this. But yeah, that's it, guys. Like Friday things, job, uh, good expansion, and a deep retracement back. And again, chop in oil as well. So not a best. It was not a one of the like best days for me. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. Thank you for watching. We took one big loss, and another one was just one contract. Nothing much into it, and another one was break even. So I'll go with the one loss. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday. Everyone, take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Peace.